In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make super easy focaccia bread. Start with 1 3/4 cups of 110 degree water. Add 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Give it a good mix. Then let it bloom for 10 minutes. Weigh out 500 grams of bread flour. Add 2 teaspoons of fine sea salt to the flour. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add your dry ingredients. Mix on low speed until a ball forms. Add a few sprigs of fresh chopped rosemary. Increase the speed to medium and mix for another 5 minutes. Add the dough to a lightly oiled bowl. Then cover with a damp, warm towel and let it rise until doubled in size. Prepare your baking dish using cold butter. Add extra virgin olive oil and make sure to coat the entire pan. Place the dough in the pan and stretch it out to all corners. You may need to do this a few times, letting the dough relax in between stretchings. Once again, cover with a warm, damp towel, set it aside, and let it rise till it doubles in size. At this point, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Pour on a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil. Then, using your fingers, dimple the bread. Add flaky sea salt. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes until perfectly golden brown. When you remove it from the oven, place it on a cooling rack. Add some fresh grated Parmesan cheese or whatever topping you enjoy. Be sure to share with your family and friends. You can find a link to the dipping sauce video below. Don't forget to feed your brofist. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.
Oh, look at the bias cut. It's so professional.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Yeah. Now everybody, I'd appreciate if everyone grabs one at the same time over here.
Okay, ready?
Mom, come
Mom,
on
you
over
come
here.
over here and get the small one.
I want
I'm
the
gonna
big
get
one.
that one.
Right, okay.
Are you
now-
reaching in?
Yeah, everybody. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. That's awesome.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Yum, yum.
Your turn.
It's very good.
Right? Mmm.
I keep eating all this bread. I'm going to get fat.
Well, well.
Oh, well. You'll be among friends.
Mmm.
God, I don't know how I look.
What do you think? Good?
Good.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.